Okay, hello. This next part, it should be very easy, okay? So step 12, we're starting on slide 20. You should have been putting the names and links to your research while you've been doing it, been doing the previous slides. You should look at the example slide and then complete your slide. I have already talked to you about the putting your resources here. For sure, you should have already put in your information you should have put in the link from slide 2, and you should have put in which book or website you used from slide 4. And then if you've used anything else, you can put it here. And then your slide looks exactly like this. That's it. You just type it in right there. Then we have step 13, and this is you going back. You are going to take these check marks and you can put them over if you would like. You don't have to use them if you don't want to. You're going to go back to your slides and you're going to make sure you have kept your guide informational and you did not put in any opinions. Like, I could have easily said, I think chipmunks are the most scary, dangerous animal, but I didn't. Make sure you've used transition words, and that's especially important if you are doing paragraphs like this: first, in addition, for example, and another. Very important. Make sure you have a main idea on each slide or in each paragraph. If you followed the templates that are there, you should not have to worry about that at all. Make sure each slide or paragraph has supporting details. Again, if you followed what the videos and what the slides are telling you, this should not be a problem. Make sure you use text features to make the guide easier to understand. This is going to be something we're going to need to do. I'm going to highlight that just for a sec. Make sure that everything is spelled correctly, and make sure that you have correct punctuation. So this is where we're going to need to check that very last, because right now you get to go in, you get to change your font. You can pick different sizes. You can use different colors. You can add your extra visuals or pictures. You can even animate your slides if you want. Make it unique. Add any extra text features. So I added an expert sidebar. I added a photo. Here I added bold text with the photo. So this is your time to do what you guys love to do and make it super fancy and creative. Once you do get all of that in, then you're going to want to make sure your text features make your guide easier to understand. So actually, I'm going to go ahead and move that one down here, just because, look, if I were to put a chipmunk looking at a flower, that would not match the topic of this slide. This slide is about the leg crawl. I wanted to make sure that on my first slide, it talks about an attack. I found a picture that supports it being dangerous. That's what that means. So I am going to go ahead and actually move that down to the other spot, because that is at the end. It's your very last. Well, that's not what I wanted to do. Undo, undo, undo. I'm going to add it here. That is that. I think it'll be a very fun time. And if you need help learning how to do any of this, reach out to your teacher or to me, and I would be happy to show you or even make some videos.